A blue whale heart is as large as a car. Do you know why Statue of Liberty is green in color? Or about a bridge that is made only for the squirrels? Dive into the amazing fact series and do watch the video till the end. Welcome to the Genius Brain. We all love social media and we love to use Facebook. But do you know that Facebook like button was supposed to be awesome button? Amazing, isn't it? You must have suffered from the cold these winters. But did you know that when you sneeze, the air blows out of your nose can be 100 miles per hour? Being a child till now, we love to blow up the bubble wraps that comes with the parcels. Bubble wrap was originally supposed to be a textured wallpaper. It was invented by sealing two shower curtains together. Of all the places, the Statue of Liberty is made of copper, so it was originally the same color as a penny. But have you thought why it turned completely green? It is because of the oxidation in 1920. Well, it's not easy being green. Girls in the childhood love Barbie dolls. But have you ever thought what is the Barbie's full name? It is Barbara Millicent Roberts. And her parents' name are George and Marguerite Roberts from Wisconsin. Do you know that a blue whale's heart is as large as a small car? And you can hear it beat from 2 miles away. And that some of its blood vessels are so wide that you could swim down them. Amazing, isn't it? What if you got hit by lightning? I have shared the fact in the previous video, but do you know that the bolt of lightning has enough energy to toast 1 lakh slices of bread at the same time? In 1992, nearly 28,000 rubber ducks and other bath toys that were headed from China to the US were dropped into the Pacific Ocean off a cargo ship. People are still finding them. Are you trying to develop muscles during this pandemic? Then this fact is for you. Do you know that astronauts can lose about 1% of their muscle mass each month if they don't stick to an exercise that is lasting for at least 2 hours every single day? Many of you may know that dolphins are one of the biggest creatures on the planet. But do you know that they call each other by the names, or rather special vocal whistles? Do comment down your favorite facts and don't forget to like and subscribe to get the amazing content.